Hello, welcome to Handmade Paper Art. My name is Ernesto Aviña, and today we're going to be working on the Bride of Frankenstein. Alright, let's go ahead and get started on this one. The first thing that we're going to do to start on this figure is we're going to create the body. And in order to create the body, we're going to need 3 rows of white. So let's grab our white pieces. We're going to grab one piece and we're going to put it on top of another one, like this, and then we're going to grab both of those pieces and put it on top of the other one, and it should look like this. And now we have to create 9 more modules that look just like this to create a total of 10. So now that we have our 10 pieces, we're going to grab 2 of them and we're going to put both of these points into these 2 pockets here of another piece, and we're going to insert just like this. And we're going to grab another one and do the same. And we're going to keep going until we do all 10. Once you have all 10, this is what it should look like. And now we're going to flip it over to the other side like this. And we're going to put these 2 points into these 2 pockets here just to finish it off. And this is what it should look like. For the next step, we're going to do 10 more pieces of white right on top of this to finish the body. Now that the body is finished, we have to work on the neckline. And the neckline is what separates the body from the head. For the neckline, we're going to use peach pieces and we're going to put them invertedly. So this would be inverted and this is the opposite way, which is regular. We don't want it to be like this, we want it to be like this. And in order to do this, we just grab this piece and flip it over to the other side, and now it's inverted. Okay, and this is what it should look like. Now that we have this, we have to start on the face now. And we're going to choose any random spot to start on the face. I'm just going to go ahead and start it right here. And this is going to be my middle point. I'm going to do 2 more pieces of peach to the right and then 2 more pieces of peach to the left, for a total of 5. Now that we have our 5 pieces, we're going to do 4 more on top. Okay, so this is what the half of our face should look like, the first half. We're going to flip it over to the other side and we're going to start with black on the back side. So the first row is going to be 5 pieces of black. Once you have your 5 pieces, we're going to do 6 more on top. Alright, and this is what it should look like. 5, 6, 5. We're going to flip it over to this side, and we're going to continue with the face. In order to continue with the face, we need to do 5 more pieces of peach, and then another 4 on top to complete it. And this is what the face should look like already completed. It's going to be 5, 4, 5, 4. Now we turn this around to the other side. And we're going to go ahead and continue with this row. And we're going to do 6 more of black. Okay, now we flip it over to the front again. And we're gonna drop 1 black piece right here in the center. You have your two pieces here, your two pieces there. We're gonna drop it right in between. So it's gonna be our first black piece there to mark our center. We're gonna do one piece to the right of black and one piece to the left of black. Now that we have these, right here to the right of it, we're gonna do one white piece, and then to the left of it, we're gonna do another white piece. Let me put it on camera. We're gonna do one white piece here, and then one more white piece here. Okay, now the rest of this row is gonna be black. Okay, we're gonna grab our white pieces now, and from right here, we're gonna put another white piece on top of this white piece and this black piece here, like this. And it's gonna look diagonal like this. We're gonna flip it over to the other side and we're gonna do the same. We're gonna put one white piece right here on top of the white piece and the black piece. And we're gonna fill in the rest of it with black. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces on the front. And 1, 2, 3, 4, another 4 pieces on the back. Now this is going to be the last and final row. The last and final row, we're going to put another white piece right here in between this white one and this black one. Like this. And it should be 3 pieces like this, as you can see here. Like that. We're going to flip it over to the other side, and we're going to do one more here to finish this off. And now we have to do the same as we did in the previous row. We're going to do 4 on the front and then 4. Actually, it's going to be 5 on the front and then 3 here on the back. And this is what it should look like once it's complete. Alright, so the next thing that we have to do is we have to work on the arms. And for the arms, we're going to need 2 pieces of white and 2 pieces of peach. We're going to grab one of our white pieces, we're going to open it up. And we're going to fold this top triangle piece down to the center. Like this. And we're going to close it up. And it should look like that. We're going to grab one of our peach pieces and we're going to put one of these 2 points into these little pockets. Just to open it up. Like this. Once you have it open, you can put both points in. And we have an arm. And we're going to do the same to this one. Now that you have both of your arms, we're going to grab our figure again. And we're going to go right to the center of the body, which is going to be right here. And we're going to count 2 to the right. So we're going to go 1, 2, and we're going to insert right here. The other way to know where to insert your arm is to see where the face meets the hair. So this point right here, and we're just going to insert right there. And you're always going to have 5 pieces in between each arm. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At least when the figure is 4 rows for the body. Okay. So now that this is done, the last thing that we have to do is just put eyes on the figure. So I have this sheet right here, and these are going to be the eyes. All you got to do is cut it out and put them on, and it's just going to look just like this one here. In order for you to have the eyes, I have a sheet that you can download. It's going to be in the description bar of this video. go ahead and download it, and you'll have eyes for all of your figures. And thank you guys so much for following my tutorial. Your figure is now complete. Hopefully you guys were able to build the couple, Frankenstein and the Bride of Frankenstein. That way you guys can have them together. If you guys do manage to build them, send me a picture on Instagram and I'll be able to post it so that everybody can see. And thank you guys for taking the time to make these figures. I really appreciate it. This is handmade paper art, and my name is Ernesto Aviña, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.